Okay, so I got a PS5 Pro and now I'm gonna install, just for test purpose, a little SSD. You just have to pop it like so. It's pretty easy. And then we have to loosen that screw here, which is actually all we need to do. So let's just open that real quick. Okay, came loose now. And now let's just open that. And there you have it. And there is actually a little screw in here. That is the screw which we're gonna need to fasten it. As you can see, there are 3 spots depending on the length of your SSD you are installing. Right now I'm using a relatively short one. The screw comes, it's hard to see here. It actually comes with a little spacer, as you can see here. And now we are popping that baby in, which should go like so. And then I'm gonna place the spacer here, and then we just put the screw here. And now, as you can see, it's fully in there. You just need to make sure that it's right. You should use the spacer here, and then you can actually close it. And once that's done and all assembled, of course, you have to restart your console. And once the console is restarted, you have to format it. Make sure that you put this side in like so. So slide it in like so, pop it. There you have it. 2 minutes.